as you know, if anything is removed, then the code will give a syntax error. So within less than a minute, he could identify where was the mistake.
We can do addition, subtraction, and we can even do multiplication and division.
पहले जब मैं 2 years का था तब मैंने टैबलेट स्टार्ट करा था. फिर जब मैं 3 वर्ष का था तब मैंने 5 जैसे मैंने iOS, Windows और वैसे सब गैजेट्स मैंने लिए थे. फिर मुझे पता चला कि मेरा पापा पाइथन कर रहे थे. फिर मुझे पता चला कि मेरे पापा पाइथन प्रोग्रामिंग कर रहे हैं. मैंने पापा का बोला कि मैं कर सकता हूँ. पापा ने पहले बोला कि तू थोड़ा ब्लॉक कर. फिर मैंने ब्लॉक बेस्ड का सब करा. फिर मेरे पापा ने मुझे पाइथन सिखा. Then I was doing hackathons.
So, first, if there's an error like 10, first we have to do 3, 10, and 0. Then, cannot divide by 0. We cannot do division by 0.
Since he was like infant, he was very much interested in gadgets. So he used to play with tablet devices. He used to play games on it. He was also interested in everything that is related to brain. So he used to solve puzzles and do quizzes, and he has got an inventor streak. So whatever he does, he tries to do it on his own. He thinks that how can I make it? So when he got interested in playing video games, he thought, how can I make video games? And he also sees me coding stuff. So he was also interested in that, and I told him that yes, you can do coding to create games. That's why he got interested. Now, since I am already an engineer, software engineer, so there was no need for him to be enrolled anywhere else. It was a very old traditional Guru Shishya type of learning. So I taught him the basics of programming, and then he started creating his own small games, and then it became a bit bigger. And at the same time, we thought it would be great to be recognized by someone who is really authentic, to make sure that whatever he is doing, he's really doing it in a better way. So we applied for a very high level engineering level certification called Microsoft Technology Associate. He cleared that, and he also by the time he was also creating a lot of his own programs. So we applied for India Book of Records as well as Guinness World Records, and he got recognition from both of them. So normally it's like half an hour to 1 hour on weekends, and sometimes he really enjoys doing it. So sometimes it is like whole day or even the whole weekend. It depends on his mood. Whenever he says, okay, let's do coding today, if he's in mood, we will begin somewhere in the afternoon, and it will last till even till late night. So he likes reading comics, reading books. He likes listening to music. He likes playing music. And I would again say he's also probably one of the youngest person to play an instrument called GeoShred. It's an app on iPad. And in India, there are two people, Mahesh Raghavan and Navneet Sundar, who are very much into that, and they do concerts. I really haven't heard any real kid who has who likes to play this specific iPad related instrument on and that's what he does. And he also likes to watch mystery movies. Sherlock Holmes is his favorite. So he likes science fiction. That's what he does.
ये बहुत गर्व की बात है. भारत देश में से सबसे ज़्यादा सॉफ्टवेयर एक्सपोर्ट हो रहे हैं एज ऑफ नाउ,
एंड हमारा देश आज जो भी दुनिया में आगे है वो है सॉफ्टवेयर इंडस्ट्री की वजह से। हमारे बड़े बड़े CEO इंडियंस है सॉफ्टवेयर कंपनी के, और हमें ये देखने में गर्व महसूस हो रहा है कि छोटे बच्चे भी इसका रोल मॉडल बना के आगे बढ़ते हैं सॉफ्टवेयर इंडस्ट्री में। कोडिंग ऐसी स्किल है जो आगे जाके बहुत काम में आएगी। ये हमने 2006 में उद्गम में इम्प्लीमेंट किया था। हमने तब से हम हर बच्चे को कोड आवर कराते हैं, 1 घंटे का कोडिंग कराते हैं एवरी ईयर, और उसको इंट्रोड्यूस कराते हैं। वो उनके सिलेबस में कोडिंग है, उनके जो लॉजिक किड्स करके लॉजिकल थिंकिंग की परीक्षा है वो हम लेते हैं। ये जो अरहम है जिसने ये अचीव किया है वो 2 साल से नेशनल लेवल चैम्पियन रहा है लॉजिक किड्स में। और हमें ये भी देखा है कि ये जो क्रिटिकल रीजनिंग, लॉजिकल थिंकिंग जो न्यू एजुकेशन पॉलिसी में गवर्नमेंट ने मेंशन किया है कि ये सब सिखाना है ज़रूरी है, वो सब इस बच्चे ने ऑलरेडी सीख लिया है और उसका इम्प्लीमेंटेशन भी किया है।